Effective strategies for saving money and cutting expenses. Welcome back to How to Be Debt-Free. In today's video, we'll be discussing effective strategies for saving money and cutting expenses. Building a strong savings habit and reducing unnecessary expenses are key steps towards achieving your financial goals. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Track your expenses. The first step in saving money and cutting expenses is to track your spending. Keep a record of all your expenses for a month. Categorize them to identify where your money is going. This awareness will help you pinpoint areas where you can make adjustments. Step 2. Create a budget. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, it's time to create a budget. Step 3. Cut back on discretionary spending. Evaluate your discretionary spending and identify areas where you can cut back. This might involve reducing dining out, entertainment subscriptions, or impulse purchase. Consider more cost-effective alternatives or find free activities to enjoy. Step 4. Review your subscriptions and memberships. Take a close look at your subscriptions and memberships. Cancel those that you don't use or find less expensive alternatives. Negotiate lower rates if possible. Every dollar saved on recurring expenses adds up over time. Step 5. Save on utilities. Be mindful of your utility usage to save on monthly bills. Turn off lights when not in use. Unplug electronics. Adjust your thermostat and consider energy-efficient appliances. These small changes can lead to significant savings. Step 6. Shop smart and compare prices. Before making a purchase, shop around and compare prices. Look for sales, use coupons, and consider buying generic or store brand products. Avoid impulse buying and make thoughtful purchasing decisions. Step 7. Automate your savings. Make saving money a priority by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to savings account. Treat savings as an expense that must be paid each month, just like any other bill. Step 8. Explore discount programs and loyalty rewards. Take advantage of discount programs, loyalty rewards, and cashback offers. Sign up for customer loyalty programs at your favorite stores, use Cashbacks app, and explore discount websites or membership clubs that offer savings on everyday purchase. Congratulations! You now have a toolkit of effective strategies for saving money and cutting expenses. By implementing these strategies consistently, you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thank you for watching today's video on effective strategies for saving money and cutting expenses. We hope you found these tips helpful in your journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips, and share it with others who you may find it valuable. As always, stay tuned for our next video.